Ready to unlock exclusive skins and boost your Brawl Stars experience with that Apple gift card? First, let's make sure your Apple gift card is properly redeemed on your iOS device. Open the App Store. It's that blue icon with the white A. Tap your profile icon located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, look for Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap it. You might need to sign in with your Apple ID at this point, so have your password ready. You can either manually enter the code or use your device's camera to scan the gift card. Scanning is usually faster and more accurate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption. Great! The gift card amount is now added to your Apple ID balance. Open Brawl Stars. See the gems icon at the top. Tap on that. Choose the gem package you want to purchase. Make sure you have enough balance on your Apple ID. Tap the package. An Apple purchase confirmation will pop up. It will show your Apple ID balance. Confirm the purchase. Boom. Gems added. If for some reason you're facing issues, make sure your Apple ID region matches the gift card region. And if you still face problem, consider contacting Apple support. Now go out there and dominate Brawl Stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.